The Evolution of Google Chrome 2025 edition. Google Chrome, first launched in 2008, has transformed from a lightweight web browser into an indispensable ecosystem tool that millions rely on daily. As of 2025, Chrome isn't just a way to access the internet. It's an adaptive digital assistant, a privacy-focused platform, and a window into Google's broader vision of AI-enhanced browsing. While competition from other browsers like Firefox, Edge, and Safari remains, Chrome's continued innovation keeps it ahead of the curve. Understanding how Chrome has evolved recently can give users a serious edge in productivity, privacy, and user experience. One of the most significant updates in 2025 is Chrome's deeper integration with Gemini AI, Google's native large language model. While past versions of Chrome included basic smart suggestions, the 2025 update embeds from the Omnibox to real-time web page summarization. Gemini provides intelligent assistance on the fly. Type a search query, and Gemini not only suggests related content, but also answers it directly within the browser. Users can also long press or highlight any text to generate summaries, ask for definitions, or rewrite content in simpler language, all without leaving the page. Chrome has essentially become an interactive knowledge portal, with AI meeting users where they are, rather than sending them on a click journey through search results. Privacy remains a key concern for users, and Chrome has doubled down on transparency and control. The long-promised phase-out of third-party cookies has finally been completed in 2025, replaced by Google's Privacy Sandbox, a suite of tools that aims to balance advertising needs with user confidentiality. These systems allow advertisers to deliver relevant content without tracking individuals across the web. New granular permission settings also empower users to control what data is shared per site, including webcam, mic, notifications, and location. A new privacy dashboard gives a clean, infographic-style overview of personal data exposure and lets users instantly revoke permissions. Chrome's enhanced incognito mode now also uses encrypted DNS and disposable fingerprinting to offer truly private browsing without compromise. In terms of productivity, Chrome's modular interface has gone through a serious transformation. Chrome 2025 introduces Workspaces, a feature that allows users to group tabs, apps, and extensions under specific projects or themes. Each workspace can be color-coded, labeled, and synced across devices. Combined with Chrome's new ability to open PDFs and Office documents natively, users can run entire workflows without needing to switch applications. Developers benefit too, as the DevTools console now includes real-time collaboration mode and AI-powered debugging suggestions from Gemini. The browser isn't just where work happens, it's a central hub for managing it. Finally, Chrome 2025 has embraced design evolution with its Material U3 interface upgrade. While keeping the core identity intact, Chrome now adapts fluidly to the user's device theme, lighting conditions, and even time of day. Tabs now change shades subtly based on your screen brightness and reduce blue light in night mode. The toolbar is customizable down to individual icons, allowing for a cleaner or denser look depending on preference. The side panel is now smarter too, offering context. This new interface isn't just aesthetic, it reduces eye strain, speeds up access to tools, and creates a more unified experience across Android, Chrome OS, and desktop environments. Chrome in 2025 is no longer just a browser. It's a dynamic interface that anticipates needs, protects privacy, and simplifies online life. The shift toward AI integration, privacy control, workspace modularity, and responsive design shows that Google is serious about keeping Chrome relevant for the long haul. For podcast creators, educators, and digital professionals, staying on top of these changes isn't optional. It's essential for thriving in the next phase of web experience.